Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create minimal product ad with vector mask. Open a black white canvas, place your product image in the center, add a vector mask to remove enough edges. Use pen tool to cut out unnecessary shadows. This gives the subject clean isolations. Duplicate the mask layer for variations. Apply gradient color on one version. Place them side by side with spacing. Now add a logo and tagline below. Keep the layout minimal and aesthetic. Use subtle drop shadow to add depth. The monochrome background for elegance. Balance elements